Hello children. Today's English class will be on words. So today, we will learn how to write a words for each letters and fill a blanks using letters. Let's start. First, let me show you some pictures. Here are 5 pictures on the screen. First, second, third, fourth, and this one, fifth. Now let us spell the name of each picture together. The first picture is nest. So children's, what is the first letter in nest? Yes, N. So, say with me. N is for N E S T, nest. Second picture is parrot. So children's, what is the first letter in parrot? Yes, P. So, say with me. P is for P A R R O T, parrot. Third picture is rose. So children's, what is the first letter in rose? Yes, R. So, say with me. R is for R O S E, rose. Fourth picture is tree. So children's, what is the first letter of tree? Yes, T. So, say with me. T is for T R E E, tree. Fifth picture is van. So children's, what is the first letter in van? Yes, V. So, say with me. V is for V A N, van. So children's, it was very easy to write a words for each letters just by knowing its first letter. So children's, I wish you have understand whatever we have learned in today's class. Our next class will be on missing letters. Till then, use this worksheet 1 and this worksheet 2 to practice and make yourself busy at home. I will see you in a next one. Till then, stay safe, good luck, and keep practicing. God bless you all.